Pack light, fly free. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. OCUSYNC 2.0 video transmission. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. Powerful performance. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, G Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. 4x zoom. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. OCUSYNC. With just a few taps, G Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional-level videos to share directly on social media. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced flyer, the G-Fly app helps you produce impressive results complete with soundtracks and filters. Top reviews from the United States. I've loved remote control vehicles for most of my life. Back in the 80s my dad got me a buggy that would go about 20 miles per hour on asphalt and an old Futaba radio with the crystals you had to swap out. I had an absolute blast with that thing. Over the years I had gas and electric cars and trucks and the little indoor helis and quads. But I never really got good at the flyers. I'd carefully fly them around inside the house, but they were generally too light to use outside so I could never really practice effectively. And if I wanted to turn off the stability controls and go full ham, I'd lose control almost immediately. Well, I still would like to actually be good at flying those types of devices. The DJI Mini 2 won't get me there, but I am willing to bet it will help. You can't turn off all of the helper electronics and start doing flips like you can with the sport quads, but that's not really the point. The point is the camera, and the camera is fantastic.